Imagine losing an arm in an accident and, years later, not only regaining your movements, but gaining robotic superpowers. This isn't a scene from a sci fi movie, but a reality on the brink of happening. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal a technology that will completely transform the lives of millions of people. And when I say transform, I'm not exaggerating. At some point in your life, have you ever wondered what it would be like to control a robot with just the power of your mind? Well, that's exactly what's about to become a reality. The partnership between Tesla and Neuralink is breaking down every barrier between humans and machines. Let's talk numbers. In the United States, over 2 million people live without a limb. Imagine not just restoring an arm, but giving someone an arm that can do far more than a biological one. An arm that responds instantly to your thoughts. An arm that can perform tasks with millimeter precision. Tesla's Optimus robot is not just another robot. It has 22 degrees of freedom in its hands, almost as many as a human hand. This means it can perform delicate tasks like holding an egg without breaking it, or complex operations on an assembly line. But the real power lies in the direct connection to the brain. Neuralink has developed a chip that can translate thoughts into robotic movements. It's like having a remote control in your head, but for a robotic arm. What was science fiction yesterday will be reality tomorrow. And we're not talking about a distant future. We're talking about something starting to happen right now. Imagine a world where distance is no longer a problem, where you can operate a robot on the other side of the planet using only your mind, where people with physical limitations not only regain their independence, but gain abilities beyond the human. This isn't just a technological revolution, it's a human revolution. Let's talk about Neuralink's Convoy study. This pioneering project has one ambitious goal: to test the ability to control robotic limbs through a brain implant called the N1. This means people who have lost limbs could literally command a robotic arm with the power of their thoughts. Elon Musk isn't just creating robots. He's redefining the limits of what's possible for the human body. In his own words, we're talking about cybernetic superpowers. Think about the revolution for various industries. A surgeon could perform remote operations with unimaginable precision. A technician could repair machines on the other side of the world without leaving their home. A factory worker could operate complex equipment without physical risks. Tesla already plans to integrate Optimus robots into their manufacturing processes next year. This means we're no longer speculating about the future. We're building it now. For the 2 million amputees in the United States, this technology isn't just a novelty. It's hope. It's the chance to regain not just a limb, but their dignity, independence, and ability to fully interact with the world. But this goes far beyond replacing lost limbs. We're talking about expanding the limits of the human body, about creating a symbiosis between biology and technology that could transform us into enhanced versions of ourselves. Every technological advancement brings a question: how far can we go? With the partnership between Tesla and Neuralink, the answer seems to be far beyond what we can imagine. Stay tuned. The future isn't coming. It's already here.